Today we are learning layered squares. This is a design I've seen in a few places before, title and all, which is always lovely. The furthest back I could trace it is a site called Whimsical Stitches run by Mary LeGallet, so my best guess is that she may be the one who designed and named it. This one will start with a trellis stitch, no weaving necessary, but each row of the trellis, both the ground and crossing threads, should be 2 stitches, which you can create in a surface satin stitch style, placing a bit of open space in between them. In this manner, you should end up with the large squares of the typical trellis, as well as small squares at each cross point. I've done my double lines pretty close together on this one, but you could definitely spread them out a little bit more so that those 2 different sizes of square are more obvious. Now we can add some Jacobean couching. I like to use nice long stitches for this one, as if you do them too short, it will compress the threads of the trellis at each cross point rather than letting them lay flat in their original position. We're also going to skip every other cross point and offset each line, which allows us to do longer couching stitches without them running into each other. You could make yours even longer than mine are here, or you could do the 2 couching stitches different lengths for a more asymmetrical look. If you're going for neat and tidy, of course, make sure you keep the top couching stitch facing in the same direction on every single X. And that is layered squares. Don't forget to add that border. And we're done!